Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth as showing on the screen. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Guys, you know I am living in the deep rural areas in Polokwane in South Africa. So I'm going to share with you my daily routine. Can I say a daily routine of some sort? This video actually is about me doing dishes that I was postponing. Like I was so lazy and I used up all my dishes. I don't have a lot of dishes, but I have used them all, so there are a pile on my table, so I am going to be doing them and cleaning the stove to prepare for doing what, for cooking. So do enjoy this video, guys. I am going to hand wash my dishes. I don't have running water, no sink, basin to basin probably, and wipe them off, place them in my cupboard. Do enjoy this video. It was on a Saturday morning. You can think, or the dishes still, when did I start using them? 2 days probably. So the table was just in a mess. I had to just deal with it very early in the morning. Guys, I kind of like my body in the morning. I have a belly, but in the morning I feel like I have a flat stomach. Who feels like that? I have a big belly, guys, and I don't want to lie. But do enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and yeah. I actually wanted this video to go straight like originally from the record, like the way it is from when I was filming it. But hey guys, people decided to come in the house and start making conversation, so I can't share that. I had to just mute all the sounds and do some voiceover, put in some music, and fast forward it. I just wanted this video really to be just original, but we move. You can't be denying people to be where they want to be. It was kind of cold outside, so they had to come in the house.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
I always mention that air drying my dishes is impossible, especially during the day. At least at night, I will leave them and I will pack them in the morning because we are not going to be busy. We'll be going to sleep. So you can see the table is like full. There is no space to do anything else. That's why I am wiping them and putting them in the cupboard right there and there. This is my life. This is how I do it every day. But those dishes were too many. I have 3 plates which are big and 4 small plates. Those the one that are white and the one that I always use regularly. So if you see me using the bigger ones, just know that disaster is happening in the basin for dishes.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave.
So forgive me for the lighting, it decided to be dark. Guys, I use a phone to do my videos and I use a back camera, so you can imagine I don't even see what is happening on the screen. I turn my phone backwards, and as long as I see it is in range with the part that I'm going to be at or part that I am filming, from there I switch, like I fix the lighting from the phone. From there I do my job. I don't care if the lighting starts to change outside, then this happens. So I think it was, oh yeah, it was getting cloudy. It was getting cloudy, I remember. There was a few moments whereby clouds started gathering and it went out. It went away a little bit later. So that's why it was dark like that. Guys, I film with the camera reversed on me. I don't see what is happening, because front camera is not looking good on videos and it changes a lot of time. It changes the light now and then. So the back camera is a little bit better, and I am using Samsung A12. The problem with the A12 is the space, so I constantly remove the videos from the phone. I am a fan of candles, guys. I'm a fan of candles. Already I have used up, how many? I can't remember. And this one I bought it from Pep Home. It was 40 rand. I liked the packaging and it's almost finished. Every day when I wake up, I switch it on. Every day when I come back from work, I switch it on. Like the love I have for this. The love I have for this. I'm gonna buy another candles. There's the one that I saw in Sheet Street. It's a little bit in a bigger bottle. Then oh, look at that. That drives me crazy. Look at that reflection. Guys, this drives me crazy. I don't know if you love the candles that much, but do enjoy this video. I hope you have subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.